What happens when a student faces extraordinary circumstances, such as an extended illness or a family emergency that prevents them from finishing your course on time? As the instructor, you have the discretion to give the student a grade of incomplete or I and extend their deadlines past the end of the semester. Let's walk through the process. First, the student needs to communicate with you about their situation, and you need to agree that an incomplete is warranted. University policy says that an incomplete is appropriate when the student has already completed a substantial portion of the coursework with a passing grade and can complete the remaining work on their own. An incomplete is not allowed if the student would need to retake the course in order to resolve the remaining work. If an incomplete is warranted, the student must submit an incomplete grade contract. Printable and electronic versions of this form can be found on One Stop. In this contract, you and the student will specify the conditions for the completion of the unfinished course requirements and set a new deadline within the year. You as the instructor commit to updating the I to a final grade within 4 weeks of the student completing their work. Finally, you'll need to communicate with OES Team so we can extend the availability of the course site and activities for the student. Fill out the OES Course Assistance form and select Course Access Extension as your reason for contacting us. In the message section, be sure to include the student's name and the length of the extension. We'll update all the settings necessary to grant extended access for the student. For more details on assigning incompletes, see the university's grading and transcripts policy or feel free to contact us for help.